Hi everyone, and welcome to our course From Basic to Brilliance, Mastering CST Antenna Design's Fundamentals. To design antenna in CST Studio, you will need to open the CST Studio first. Simply type CST to launch the CST Studio suite. Click on the New Template option. Now this is a different section of the design environment. If you want to work in microwave RF and optical section, you will need to check this specific box. For other type of design environment such as EDA or electronic structure EMC and EMI, correct charge particle dynamics statics, and low frequency, you will need to work in these environments. As we are going to design antennas, I will choose the microwave RF and optical option. Now there are different sections for microwave RF and optical. This section includes antenna circuits, antenna components, and RCS radar cross-section biomedical exposure. If you want to work on biomedical application of antennas, select this section. For optical application such as optical fibers or other type of optical application, choose this option. If you want to work on periodic structures, select the periodic structures option for antennas. Now, we want to design an antenna. Just follow my step and click on Antennas option. Next, you will find various subtypes of antenna, such as waveguide, planar, wire, phase array unit cell, mobile phone integrated, reflector, dielectric resonator, and RFID. These represent different type of sections of antenna. If you wish to work on the waveguide or an antenna, select this option. For designing a planar or patch antenna, choose the corresponding box. Additional options for wire antenna, phase array, mobile integrated reflector, and dielectric RFID are available. We will work on all these type of antennas. But first, I am going to start with the first lecture. After the introduction lecture on antennas, as we have seen in the introduction to antennas, I have explained the difference between HFSS and CST Studio, as well as the S11 parameter, VSWR and gain. These are some important parameters that have to be explained earlier. Now, I am going to design an antenna. In order to do so, I will first design a planar or patch antenna. After designing the planar or patch antenna, we will proceed to the waveguide antenna, wire antenna, phase array, mobile integrated reflector, dielectric resonator, and RFID. So first I am going to design a patch antenna. Follow my step, click on the next time domain. Now these are the recommendation workflow. We want to work in the time domain. Now these are units. The dimension would be in millimeter, frequency is in gigahertz, time in nanosecond, temperature in Kelvin, and voltage in volt ampere. Now leave this section as it is. Now it is the frequency range of antenna. Different ranges of frequencies are the operating frequencies. For example, if you design an antenna, if you want to design an antenna that work at 2.5 GHz frequency, then you will need to choose a range of frequencies from 2 to 5 GHz or 2 to 10 GHz. Now these are different ranges of frequencies. Now leave this section as it is. We would choose the frequency range from designing the antenna. Finish. Now this is the work window of the CST Studio. This is the section where we would play and design different types of antennas. Just follow my step and that's how I will design an antenna.